Hello guys, this is Kenny the puppy, and I'm making a really quick tutorial on how to edit skins. This is what I'm using. It's Nova skins. I guess what you could call this is a flash buy tutorial or something like that. But yeah, this is Nova skins. I'm gonna leave the links to everything I use in the description, so I'm gonna leave a link to here. To save the skin, I searched up tuxedo because I have for what I'm trying to do. And so what I just need to, so what I do is I press save to save the skin. I right click it and then I save image as, and then I have, where is it? Oh yeah, here we go. And then I'm just gonna save that in there because I have a certain file for all this. And so then that's that. Now I need to go to Gimp, which is something that I use for pretty much everything. All I have to do is just press open and go to documents or wherever you have your thing. I have a special folder for pretty much everything. And so yeah, here's the things. I'm going to click one, hold shift, grab both of them. So now I have two of these. If you want to zoom in, I always press Control and then I zoom in with the scroll wheel, and then that's how I zoom in. I can switch between these two just by clicking there. I can zoom in on both of these. So yeah, for this one, if you want to be able to get to maybe just just use the suit and then get rid of the head and everything, I would suggest trying to select everything that you want to delete first with the selection tool, which can be quite difficult sometimes, but it makes it extremely easy afterwards. It just does. Oops. Yeah. But some skins like this, maybe they don't have certain things where you can't simply just delete everything, which in that case, your own hands. And then just get out your handy dandy eraser and start erasing things. And you have to try to make sure you don't actually grab the skin. However, there is a way to fix it. You can either press Ctrl-Z, or you can literally just go pixel by pixel and basically unerase it, which would take a long time. But yeah. So I'm just gonna speed through this process. So yeah, a handy dandy tool for pretty much any situation, not really erasing as much, but just drawing, would be to click somewhere, hold shift, and see the line. Then you just click again, and then you see it kind of does something, just like with the coloring thing. If you click somewhere, hold shift, then you can get a straight line, and then press Ctrl-Z to delete that. And so yeah, you can do all sorts of different things, but this is something that has definitely helped me a lot. And then one thing you can do to get colors is you go real up close here, and you hold Control and then click whatever color you want, and see right here, this is what color you get. You can edit or whatever. So you can hold Control and click something and you get the exact color you were looking for. So yeah, back to this fastness. There has to be a quicker way to do this. I just don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know how to delete everything so quickly if it's like all deep. Oh no, guys, I erased some of this. How do I fix it? Well, I go to my pencil, because if you go to this thing, then it won't be as well defined. You go to your pencil, you hover your mouse over it, you hold Control, click, grab the color, and boom, see? And that's basically how you fix erased areas, because in Minecraft it automatically makes it to where it isn't see-through, but in things like Blender, which is where you animate, it will make your character look a bit like a ghost. So that's why you always want to make sure you fix whatever little tiny holes something might have, otherwise you're going to have a ghost character. Alright, and one good way to test and make sure that you've gotten everything deleted would be to take your selection tool. See, look at this. I have missed a whole bunch. So one way you can go to fix this, since I clicked out here. Oh, why is this all? Why are they doing it? Huh? Gonna delete whatever this is. It's kind of hard whenever it's all so see-through. But yeah, whenever you select basically nothing, you can do Control, hold down Control, and press I to invert it, invert the selection, and now, like now you can erase anything not on this side, but like it's much easier if you like take a pencil thing. See, I can't draw anywhere outside what's selected. Delete that. Okay. Now I can properly erase these things. Oh wow, look at this thing I found. If I hit Control and then just move the thing, then it does that. Kind of forgot it does that. Whee! Woo! Woo! Okay. Now, the best way to erase things is if you select it. You can select something, hold Shift, and click on another area, and now I have selected both of these. You hold Shift again, and you can select all of these hands. Oh yeah, one thing that's important about skins is to understand exactly what things are. Like, these are the arms. This is an arm. This is the torso right here. You got the side, the back, the front, the top, and then like the shoulders. And then here's the leg, and here's the other leg. And so those are always something you need to remember for important stuff. But yeah, so I've selected these. I can go get to the eraser, and to make the tool bigger, I'm just gonna put the picture of whatever it is, because I don't know what it's called. You just make that thing bigger, and boom, you just make, you can like shrink it, grow it, whatever you want. You can do it. Nothing to it. Okay. So yeah, that is, yep, that's pretty much done. Now you just select the outside, gotta make sure that everything's selected. You do Control I to invert the selection, and then go over here to your other skin. You do, I forgot. You do Control C to copy the selected, then you do Control V, and there you go. Now it automatically changes it to where you can move it, which is very nice of them. You can just kind of gently set it over your skin, and boom. All done. Handy dandy skin thing. Looks like I accidentally had some shoulder deleted. Shouldn't be too, oh. Forgot to shrink this thing. Shrink it down to one little pixel. Oh. So yeah, I usually just use like the same colors from other parts of the skin. And yeah, Control Z is your best friend, by the way. Pretty sure everyone already knows that, but Control Z is your best friend in pretty much any scenario. So yeah, this is a skin thing. And then when you want to save it, I forgot. Yeah, save it. You do not press save. As tempting as it might be, you probably wouldn't find it as fun. The best thing to do with image sake is just export, which basically just changes it as a picture. Then I can just do, I got to leave the dot. You don't want to delete the dot or the PNG because that's the file type. So Kenny the puppy, and then you just rename it to something, Tux. Boom. Alright. And then you just press export, you do export, and then that should be it. And there we have it, guys. That is pretty much your finished skin. It should be done. Let me, I guess, just to have fun, let's open it up in here. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It probably looks really bad. Yep, looks pretty bad, but, yeah. Yeah, so this is the short little tip on how to make things. I forgot to delete that little tiny thing. Oh yeah, that's another important thing you might want to know is that going into Nova skins can really be helpful. Just to see your skin in 3D, because sometimes it might look alright, and you don't really know until it's in 3D, so just another little tip, and